You will be amazed by this 2021 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.